You have options to get out of your Verizon Device Payment Plan. Early payoff means paying the remaining balance, which you can easily do through the My Verizon app or website. Recent updates like the FlexPay initiative even use AI to make this process smoother. Trade-ins let you exchange your current device for credit towards a new one. Verizon partners with recycling firms for instant valuations, making trade-ins a convenient way to upgrade or simply end your payment plan. Many promotional plans now offer early payoff with no fees after 6 months, but check your specific plan details. Besides early payoff and trade-in, you have a few other choices. Returning the device within 14 days is an option, though some plans may have restocking fees. Upgrading early might be possible, potentially with early termination fees waived under certain promotions. You could also transfer the plan to a new line. Looking ahead, expect even more flexibility. AI-powered payoff calculators and blockchain for secure balance transfers are on the horizon. Trade-in values could increase, driven by sustainability efforts. Plus, competitive pressure may lead Verizon to eliminate early termination fees entirely, making it easier to switch or exit your plan without penalty.